Is it red?
Yes.
That's off. Right. That is so not right. A bit to the right. Yeah, and right. Come on, dude. You can do it. Oh. Yeah.
That's good.
Leave it there. Perfect. Can you get the light? I think, yeah. Right, so what we're going to have a look at now is integration. So, I mean, I know it's been a while, but I hope you remember at least the basic rules. For example, what's this one going to be? Thank you. It's going to be one of those days. Yeah. Yeah, my hope was destroyed. Okay, so what we're going to look at in this lesson is a technique. Okay, Jay, get off the phone. I had to ask you yesterday as well, didn't I?
No. No.
Are you sure?
No.
You're getting very close to getting a career warning, which means I'll take your phone and give it to the principal. Yeah. Yeah. Just think carefully now. Just do what you're pushing it. I'll put you on career warning, don't you think I wouldn't. Right, so this technique we're going to look at is called substitution. I'll give you an example to demonstrate how it works. So, imagine you have something like this. 2x plus 3 power 5 dx. The only way you can do that right now is if you expand and then integrate. That's the only method you have at the moment. But there is a method called substitution, like I said, and the way substitution works is you say, let u equal 2x plus 3. Some other variable. Yeah? So, what is the derivative of u? 2. So, if I rearrange this, what does dx equal? Dx equals du over 2. If you just bring this, if you bring this up and bring that down, you can get the dx, no problem. Those results in red are the results which would be useful to me, because I can put this in here and I can put this in here for dx and this piece. So let's see what we get now. So this becomes integrate u power 5 du over 2, which is a half integrate u5 du. So, by using this substitution, I have simplified the problem into this. What is the integration here? What is the integration of u power 5? And u is the variable.
U power 6 over 6.
Plus c. So this equals 1/12 u6 plus c. But what does u equal? What's u?
Equal to x plus 3.
Yeah. And that's the answer. 1/12, 2x plus 3 power 6
How do you
plus
become
c.
1/12? 06.
Stephen, just tell me how do you get the half?
This half?
Yeah?
Ah, because here I replaced the x with du over 2.
And you, like...
And you're allowed to bring this out in the front.
Yeah, sure.
I'll give you one to try, and then I'll do another one. Yeah? Can I go down? KJ? Okay. Let's try something like this one. Square root 2x plus 3 dx. And here the hint is let u equal 2x plus 3. Yeah. Now, in the exam, mostly, but not always, but mostly, they tell you what the u is in the question. But I think maybe you have an idea what the u equals. It's usually equal to the inside part.
Yeah.
Okay, try this for me and see what answer you get. Bam, just like that, huh? What answer did you get? Wrong! Yeah, go on, what did you get?
1/3, 2x plus 3 power 3/2 plus c.
Maybe. But what I would like you to do is to simplify your answer. So get the power back to square root, please.
Square root 2x plus 3 cubed
There we go.
plus c.
I thought you said there was a minus in the power, was there? No?
No.
So you think you're great now, don't you? What do you do in the SAP? What did you have this morning?
Something about
Whatever, 2
essays.
plus 1.
Something about essays, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Can we do this one now?
Yep.
You have it? So, here, what's du dx? That's equal to 2. So what does dx equal? Du over 2. Yeah? So you take that and this and put both of them back in. So this will be square root u du over 2. That's square root u, and the half can come out, du. That's a half u power a half du, which is a half, and then you increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power, plus c. that's equal to, so this, look, this 2 can come up here and cancel. So you have 1/3 u power 3 over 2 plus c, which equals 1/3 square root u cubed plus c, which is finally 1/3 square root, what was the u? 2x
X plus 3.
plus 3 cubed plus c. Yeah? Okay, now before we do more examples, a little bit of a warning. Never mix u and x. So, for example, something like this or something like this is quite bad. Quite bad. So you need to make sure that it's always something like this, that you have a function of x with a dx, or you have a function of u with a du. In other words, please make sure that the x matches the inside and the u matches the inside. Here there's no match, and here there's no match. So these are bad. So this is forbidden, and this is good.
And you know what's the most thing I like to do?
Yes?
Like
KJ, is it?
All the question is it's wrong, and you just try to see, you'll get 1 mark.
Yeah. You should be aiming for higher than 1 mark in the exam. I think you could maybe even get 2 marks.
They
Huh?
have 2 types of
Section A and Section B.
lucky.
You're right, you do get 1 mark for the C, and also the negative side is many students lose 1 mark for forgetting the C. Two-edged sword. Right, now I want everybody to try this one for me. No, it's not as bad as it looks. And let u equal x squared. An answer? Yeah? No. Shock. You seeing the light? Got an answer, KJ? What'd you get?
Half brilliant x squared plus c.
No, not this. Try again. You are not a winner. Please try again.
Yeah, but they try
Four x
again,
squared plus c.
that.
Huh?
4x squared plus c.
Oh, not this either.
Oh, sorry. Oh, half e x squared.
Oh.
Plus c.
The force is not strong in this one. You going to see Deadpool next week?
Yes, definitely.
Amanda and Grace were talking about it. They're going to see it as well.
But I have a feeling that it's not impressed because we expect too much.
You think that too hopes are too high?
Yes. This is meant to be extremely funny. Deadpool is a funny guy.
Yeah. When is it out?
15th February?
Yes.
15th of February.
I don't
We should make this a DISC social outing.
Yes, for free.
For 5 years.
You get €5.
I don't think that's a bad idea. If your class rep wants to suggest it, I would be
Cool.
in favour of this social outing. This is one. This is a social outing you would see me at.
15th is on a Friday.
Because I think most students want to see Deadpool.
Exactly. 15th is on a Friday. I think.
Is it? The Friday before the holidays? Awesome. Deadpool and holidays. Could it get
Yeah.
any better?
No, the 15th is on a Monday.
Ah.
That's fun. The week is holiday. Exactly. The whole week is off.
Ah. You have DIFC Deadpool Holiday Monday. You're all going to see it together.
But I don't like
Or you don't hang out after school. Yeah, you look at it.
No, we don't. We made once, I think. We played football actually together.
I'm just waiting for Batman versus Superman.
Oh yeah.
I don't think it's going to be that interesting.
Yeah.
Don't you ruin this now for me.
They will screw this up.
Yeah, they might. I don't know. Ben Affleck for Batman looks okay.
No.
The action might be good, but the story will be.
Who?
The action might be good, but the story
Oh,
will
yeah.
be sketchy.
And the Iron Man and the Captain.
I hate Iron Man. Stupid movie. Iron Man
Have
1. Iron Man 1 was good.
Mhm.
Everything after that, terrible.
I don't like the Avengers
Iron
too,
Man 2
but
was good.
Avengers,
no.
terrible.
Yeah.
I don't understand why people like it. I watched it, I'm like, what's so great about this movie?
I don't like it either. I like
Hulk
the,
smash things.
but I like the Iron Man
But the
movie.
new
That's why.
Avengers would be interesting. Captain America, Civil War.
That's good. Yeah.
Captain America's okay. I'm sorry, it's just DC. Marvel, you know. Maybe Deadpool will be good. Deadpool's Marvel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know the Iron Man versus Captain is good. It's gonna be good actually.
You keep believing.
I have no.
Hold on to this.
That's Captain America, Civil War.
Yeah.
Okay. du dx equals 2x.
Yeah.
So dx du over 2x. Yes? Did you get that?
Yeah.
So if you put this and this into it, that's x e power u,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
du over
2x.
2x. Now what happens here? This was replaced by this.
Yeah.
This was replaced by this
Yeah.
here. So what happens here?
Integrate.
No, not yet.
We'll cancel X.
You can cancel the x's.
Right.
So you're left with a half EU du. Now if I had, you can't integrate because the x and the u's are mixed,
Yeah.
which is bad. So what do you get here? See, look, and I gave you a big fat warning as well. What do you get here when you integrate? EU
Yeah.
plus C. So the answer is a half E x squared plus C. Okay, we need a bit more practice here. Can I scroll down?
Just
Well, in a second, yeah. Fahad, were you going to see me at 11 or 12?
Yeah.
Can you make it like 11:15? Because I need breakfast. I need to go to the canteen and get some coffee and porridge.
Porridge, is this meat?
Porridge? You know porridge? Oh, sometimes people call it oatmeal.
Oh, yeah,
Ah.
it's sweet.
Well, if you put honey on the top, it is, yeah.
How much?
Oh, it's cheap. It's like €1 for a bowl.
Do you get sweet bowl?
If you get a takeaway cup, you can. Yeah. So 2 big scoops and then some honey on top. Does the job.
Takes it in.
Yeah. And then we'll probably see Amanda and Grace buying bacon in there as well. Every time I go there, they're in there getting sausages, bacon, hash brown and pudding
And Coke.
and Coke. And then Venti hot chocolate.
You,
It can't be good to have so much bacon and so much hot chocolate for breakfast. Can't be good. Yeah, they're gonna... Hello, obesity. Alright.
you know the people, they cannot, like, they don't get fat.
No.
Yeah.
No. I promise you, if you eat bacon
Mm.
and a Venti hot chocolate every morning for breakfast, maybe when you're in your 20s you won't get fat. But when you're in your 50s or 40s or whatever, then,
No.
yeah.
I hate my friends.
Huh?
For this thing. Like,
No. I promise you, if you have friends that are all, oh, I can eat whatever I want and I don't
No.
get fat, you just wait
we
10
have
years.
we have like, you know, like it's been like more than like 7, 6 years, okay?
Yeah, how old are they though?
The same age,
Yes, and how old are you?
19.
Yeah, so at this age in your life, you can.
I got fat, they didn't.
Oh, that's what you're saying, okay.
Yeah.
And you had the exact same diet?
Yeah, we used to go
But what about lifestyle?
almost
Exactly.
every.
Almost the
Yeah.
same. What was the difference?
Maybe they used to run up and down.
No,
No.
like the food is same. We eat this, like from outside even we eat the same thing.
Mm.
Yeah.
But
But they eat even more than me.
You don't know
It
what
is
you
true
do.
that some people gain weight faster than others.
You know the mandi? You know the Saudi dish?
Yeah?
The rice and
Yes,
the,
oh yes.
yeah.
Yes. It's a big dish.
They can like one person can eat the whole thing and I cannot finish half
Now or in the past?
in the mouth.
Huh?
This size of plate.
Maybe they have some superpower stomach. It's their like ability.
Have you watched
You know, some people are smart, some people are good looking. Maybe they just had super stomachs. Can digest anything.
So
Yeah.
for this thing I had for 4 months I had to eat boiled food.
That sounds awful.
That's why I got like lost 27 kg.
I guess it was worth it, so.
Have you watched Ride Along 2?
It's not that good. Come on.
No, don't. I haven't. Those movies don't appeal to me.
You know the best part is just Kevin Hart's comedy. That's all.
Like, that's the point of the movie.
But the story of movie sucks.
It's just for the comedy.
Story. Right, try this one now. Yeah, Fahad, story is a very loose word here for this story of the movie.
Exactly.
They they still make a lot of money for it.
Mhm.
What? Let U be equals to cos X.
Mhm.
You know Kevin Hart came to the Dublin last like 10 days ago.
Okay, I get
Derivative
it.
of x minus sin x, sin x.
Say again?
The derivative of cosine x is sin x.
Minus sin x.
Can you say that again?
Huh? Now there's a little trick here with the tan x.
Tan x is cos sin x over tan x.
Which is it? Tan x is equal to
Sin x over cos x.
final answer?
Yes. Sin X
Correct.
equals cos X.
Dennis is funny now. I was setting the projector up at 9 o'clock and he comes into the class at 9:10. He says, "Are you using the projector?" I'm like, "Yes, I am. It's right there." What?
That's good. But still you're using 10x.
Yes, for now.
Oh, okay. You don't have to worry about that now.
Bam! What you got? Could be completely wrong.
Cos x squared over 2 plus
Lol, that's wrong.
Then
Take your victory dance back. Take it back. Do an un-victory dance, please.
No, I think I'm
just
pretty
rewind
sure.
it.
Yeah, do it backwards.
Yeah.
What's the because we're taking cosine x we're taking to the third
Opposite direction.
cosine x is like
10x, 10x. There you
Go on, try it again. It's wrong.
I'm pretty sure I'm right.
Dude, you're so not right here.
Okay.
Right. Alright, fine, alright, it's gonna be like that. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, this is how you want to play the game.
sin x cosine x plus c.
Not good. Does anyone else want to try to fail?
go. Yeah.
Yeah? You gotta have a go at failing. What's your answer?
No, I'm not.
Not there yet. Alright.
The 1 minute ago.
Is there product rule for integration?
It's not called product rule, but it's like a product rule. It's called integration by parts.
Or you have U and V?
Kind of.
Yeah.
Now, not exactly the same, but pretty close.
Yeah, we can try. I don't want to do it.
Alright, let's have a look here. So, du dx
Is equal to some
minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Okay. du or dx
Dx
equals
Okay. Minus.
du over minus. That won't change how wrong your answer is. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Now, this is tan x is sin x over cos x. And dx is du over
minus
minus sin x. Now, what happens here?
Cancel.
You get some cancelling, don't you?
Yes.
But
And also, what's cos x though?
Ooh.
we can cancel
Cos
minus
x,
sin x.
what's cos x?
1 U.
U. So this is
1 over
1 over, and it's a minus u.
Yeah.
What's wrong, Fahad?
We can,
I can what?
if there's two, we can
If there's what? Give me your...
just, for example, if there's instead of sin x, suppose there was 2
A
and
2?
and minus sin x minus 2, you can cross off.
No.
So why you can cross sin x and
Dude, what's wrong?
There's no answer to this question.
why you cross minus sin x and
There's a sin x here, isn't there?
Yeah.
And there's a sin x here, isn't there?
Yeah, but there's minus.
But that doesn't matter. Because you can pull the minus out in front. This is a multiply.
Yeah. Oh.
Dude, you're making me hungry. Right, so this is minus integrate 1 over u du. And KJ, the integration of 1 over u? Go on. We're waiting.
1 over u. 1 over
One. One.
Oh, it is.
1 over minus sin x.
One.
No, 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 no.
1 over minus sin x.
Because
What,
that
next to it?
u raised to power minus one. Then over one. Okay, minus one.
Get ready now.
Log x.
This will blow your mind.
Log x.
Log x. So log u
Yeah.
plus c. So the answer is minus log cos x plus c.
And you left.
Yeah. Yes?
Yes.
Right. Next example now. Please don't screw it up. Can I go down?
Yes.
Right, try this one for me. Where's my pen gone? 1 plus 2x over 3 plus 4x dx. Let u equal 3 plus 4x. Not happening for you, KJ? You're not feeling the math love? No?
What did you
Hmm? Right, let's have a look at it.
answer is half x log c.
Du dx, what does that equal?
4.
4.
Yeah.
So dx equals du over 4. Put that back in. So here we get 1 plus 2x over u du over 4. So you get a quarter 1 plus 2x over u du. Now what's next?
So this fifth.
What's next?
We need to simplify.
How? Yeah.
We can take, because it's multiplying, we can multiply 1 over 4 to.
Yeah. And then? What's next? Can I continue? What's the problem?
Need to some simplify.
Yeah, but why? What's the problem with this?
We cannot, because we cannot integrate it, it doesn't simplify.
Yeah, but what's the problem with it?
That's
What?
not-
2 is like 2 of operations or whatever.
Yeah, if the u and the v are mixed. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because you have an x and you have a u, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
So how can we fix that? Well, we go back here. Look at this.
Okay.
You can rewrite that as u minus 3 over 4 equals x. Yes?
Okay.
And you can put that in here for the x, fixing your problem. A quarter 1 plus 2 u minus 3 over 4 over u du. Now, here, this is a quarter 1 plus 2u. Actually, you know what? Sorry, I can actually cancel here. The 2 goes into the 4 twice. So it'll be 1 plus u over 2 minus 3 over 2 over u du, which is a quarter 2 over 2 plus u over 2 minus 3 over 2 over u du, which is a quarter 2 plus u minus 3 over 2 over u du, which is a quarter u minus 1 over 2 over u du, which is an eighth u minus 1 over u du. So I can take the 2 out as well, which is an eighth u over u minus 1 over u du, which is an eighth 1 minus 1 over u du, which is an eighth. Now, when I integrate 1, what do I get?
1x. 1u.
And when I integrate 1 over u, kj, what do I get?
Log u.
And to finish, what does the u equal?
3 plus 4x.
Exam question?
Yep, section 8.
Section
What do you have 3 plus 4?
Hmm?
3 plus 4x.
Mm-hmm.
What happens with
That's what I was just about to say. This is, there's no mistake in the last line, even though it seems like the tree is missing. And I want you to think about, you can tell me next time, why is the blue answer okay? Now, this is a common Section A question in the exam.
In this type of questions, like, if we just have one different day, it's gonna be like X normally.
Give me a question.
I'm just asking, can we just replace the U?
What's your question? Give me a good, clear question.
You can see the one.
The one.
One minus one over U.
Yes.
Before integration.
Before integration. Yeah.
One turns into like U, just like one, like X.
The 1 turns into U, correct. Like the 1 turns into X, correct, yes.
We cannot do the X one because we don't want to mix both in one.
Why is the 1 a U and not an X?
Yeah.
Because it's a du. The integration is of the U variable. See, the du at the end is telling you what the variable is. It is a U variable, so 1 becomes U, not X. Yeah? Guys, come on, did you write this down?
Yeah, sure.
What's so important on your phone?
Sorry?
What's so important on your phone?
Someone's message.
Yeah, whose message? Who's so important? Who's more important than me? Tell me. No, tell me, I want to know, I want to meet this person.
Even Carrera is more
No,
than you.
no, I want to meet this person that's more important than me. Who is it?
He's 600 friends.
Who is it? Which one is more important than me? Tell me.
There's no one more than that, yeah.
So I don't believe that. It's such a lie. I don't believe that. Huh?
You must say good.
Don't believe that. Alright, now what you need to try a few of these in the book. So the ones, I can tell you which ones are like in the exam. So if you were to look here at question 1,
All those standard things.
you know, everything here is like an exam question. You probably want to look. What?
Nothing.
Asking what?
Hard.
These ones here are easy. These ones here are more difficult. The last few, you know, they are tricky. If you want to be prepared for the exam, you need to be doing some of these difficult ones on the side. But question 2, 3, 4, and 5, these 4 questions will be very useful to you later in the chapter. So I would recommend do as many of these as you can, and the 4 questions at the end. In particular, I think the last few, or S and T, are particularly interesting. Well, so is P and Q, and O, and N.
No.
Yeah, basically N to T are very interesting. Those are the interesting ones, N to T. Porridge time.
Time for porridge.
Time for porridge and coffee.
How do you take porridge and coffee?
Mix them together.
Oh.
How do you think I take porridge and coffee? I eat one and drink the other. How do you have breakfast and coffee? You eat one and drink the other. Come on.
You mix it in the blender.
Oh.
And a few raw eggs as well, is it?